PUBG. Yes. Recently I made my first video. Yes, with Adib and Kanav on mini music. So I will make today's video on PUBG. Like, I'm really messed up. Now let's get started. And please subscribe and like this video if you like it. Let's get started, bro. Now I'm just inviting Adib in my squad. If I just tell him to accept it. Yeah. Hey Adib, how are you? Hey Adib, how are you?
Hey Kian, how are you?
Adib, why did you respond so late?
I didn't respond so late. I actually was finishing my intro.
Okay.
So yeah, I just leave that. Yeah, just leave that. And guys, I don't think so. We'll play something normal. Let's
Yes.
just start with a TDM match.
Yes.
And then we can move to classes.
Yes, today
So,
I
yeah,
think
so,
today Adib, we made a plan. We will play all the modes and show you all the modes and all the best modes, and we will rate them for you. And you can play all the modes. So let's get started.
Like, by your choice. So we'll rate them for you, and let's just get started.
Yes. So first we will start from classic. Adib, should we start from classic Wrangle only?
Yeah, I think so. You should start with the classic angle.
Yes. Adib, can you just check your network? Your voice is a little bit cracking.
Okay, I'll take it.
Yes.
Is it better now?
Please hold on. Yes, it's better.
Yeah.
So let's get started, Adib.
Yep, and yeah, I'm ready. Please start now.
Yes, 1 minute, Adib. My brother is online, so I'll just ask him if he wants to play. Okay, I think he's making us.
Yeah, actually, your brother told me actually that he'll be joining us. So he's actually changing his merit. So till then we both can play.
Okay, so I'll just start in a minute. I'm just claiming my rewards. Then we will start the game.
Yeah, let me just check it again. I have no reward, so you will just finish and then we can continue.
Yes. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. I just.
Yeah, actually, please do it fast because like my video is paused and take your time, okay?
My video is not paused. You know, my fans don't care. They want to see my videos. They just want to see my videos. They can wait for a minute.
I know, me too, but like, just leave it, dude, please.
Okay.
My friends also, guys, actually we were having a conversation that like my video was paused. So yeah, and I was telling Kian that my video is paused, so just hurry up. And Kian was saying that my fans want to see my videos, so I'll show him that how much my fans want to see my videos also. So can I just leave it for now? Have you finished?
Yes, I'm just couple of them left. Then I'm finished.
Okay.
Can you wait?
Check my plan, okay?
Yeah.
So I don't think so anyone has joined our plan, but let's just check.
Yeah, you can check. So I'm done. We can start it.
Okay, guys, I actually wanted to say that we both have a plan, okay? So, like, if you're a fan and you want to join our clan, like, genuinely, so my
feel free to join.
name is Eminem Clan. That was my old username. Okay, anime mode. So yeah, just join my clan, okay? And
Actually, Adib, I have a plan that we can make our own clan in which we both are the boss of the clan. So I think we will make a clan. If you want to join the clan, you feel free to join it.
Yeah, we are going to just proceed with the clan thingy on some days, maybe like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So after that, of course, we post a video daily. So you need to hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss any videos.
He is right.
And yeah. So and hit that bell button also, by the way. So just leaving that, I'm going to tell that we are going to make a plan. So yep, we post. We'll tell it in the next to next day video, right?
Yes.
Okay, next to next day video.
Yes, Adib, now don't bore the people. And now let's get started. So first we are going to play Wrangle Classic.
Yeah. Just started, dude. Just started. We can tell that in the loading screen.
Yes. So okay. So this is like the basic game of PUBG. Like
Classic.
it's basic. Yes. The first ever mode
Yeah.
that came to PUBG.
The battle royale things.
Yes. And
So
there are
if
new
you're a
maps,
beginner in
and we'll
PUBG
show
and you
we'll
want
show
to
you
rank up,
every single
this is
map.
the best.
And we'll show you every single map. But just one map we will not show. That is, I think nobody plays that map. The Vikendi map. Vikendi. I don't know how to pronounce it. So let's get started. And there's some network issue. Adiv, why did you left?
Yeah, there was some network issue on my side, so that's why I left the meeting.
Okay,
So,
it's okay now.
yeah, let's just leave that.
Yes, now
Oh,
a new event is going on in PUBG. Like
Yeah,
new drop
see
place.
this.
Adit,
I can just.
Adit, just show your. Adit, just open your map and see some new places have come.
Oh, I didn't check my map, but yeah, I'll check my page.
Some like
Open. I want to open it. Why am I late every time? There are like different kind of things also.
yes, so we can go
That's
right
really
here where I'm marked.
Can unfollow this person because he's going to the spawn island.
Yes, Adit, and just mute them.
Yeah, I muted them and unfollow them also.
Yes, Adit,
This
follow
time
me.
can I? Last time you helped us. So okay, leave it. Just leave it. Yeah, I was saying that now we are going to.
Actually, we will show you these places because some new places have come. Sorry, we are a little bit late because lately we have like, as you know, we have started our YouTube channel today only. So we will try to show you every single update in PUBG, Fortnite, and every other game. So just get
Yeah, we started in Fortnite because we have different consoles. Okay. And we don't know how to like record on a console, so please help your boys and write in that comment that what to do so we can record on consoles. So yeah, fast. Everyone will land.
I am fast, but my game is also a little bit laggy, so I think you can understand
it's okay.
what I'm trying to
We
say.
all can have network issues. That's okay. That's okay.
Oh shit, the firing is on.
Oh shit, my game is lagging. Oh shit.
Same here. But I can see the door.
Oh shit, I don't know. Oh shit, no.
What the? There's a person on me. Fishy on me. A fishy on me.
There's 3 people on me.
Oh, my game is lagging just like, I don't know. It's lagging a lot.
That's why I can run it down.
Bro, my game is lagging a lot. I think there's a network issues. Guys, sorry. For a second it started lagging. Now it's I think okay. So stay tuned. Other I have a really bad loot,
Guys,
so I need to
Kian,
move.
I've got your favorite gun.
Can you? Oh, okay. I'm coming to take it.
Yeah, this thing, can I use it? Because I am having no gun less than a Kar 98 and an M4.
I just only have a shotgun. I need it.
Yeah, dude.
Or the game will some problem will come and I cannot save you also if you get knocked out. Okay,
Yeah,
no problem. You can keep it. I just got M762.
Okay.
If you get another extra weapon, can you give it to me?
Yeah, sure.
If you
Well, actually, I can see people. So I have a car. I just told you, I guess.
so you can snipe them, bro.
So I'm marking them. If you have a long range weapon, then please help me.
Yes, I don't have a long range weapon.
I only have a 2.6 and I only have a 2x.
It's perfect. 2x are one of the best scopes I've ever seen.
What?
2x's. They are really
No,
good.
but it is not good for like very long range,
Sniper,
and
yeah.
that person is
One of our teammates just marked the M4.
Yeah, I know he marked an M4. You can just grab it.
Yes, I'm going to grab it. My game is lagging a lot, bro. Like seriously.
Yeah, I was actually trying to say that. Just a second.
Sorry for the lags. Like, hi. Yes. Adib, can you just give me a little bit M4 ammo?
M4 ammo.
Yes, yes.
I'm actually having 30 or 74.
Adib, I only have 30.
Sure, yeah, I said sure.
Okay, so...
Yeah, so just a second, I can't
Adib, is your game lagging? Okay, thanks. Yes, it's good for now. I have a M762 now, so it's good for now. Sorry, fans, that you are getting a little bit bored. You know, because some people are... we are trying to kill people, but we cannot find any person. We'll try our best to find people and kill them.
Yeah, just a second. I'm AFK. Can you cover me for a second?
Yes, I'll just cover you. So please can you wait for a minute? Adib will be back in just a minute or so.
Yeah.
Yes, Adib is back.
Can I come in from the washroom for a second? So please cover me.
Okay, I'll cover you. I'll try my best.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, I'll just go there to cover Adib. And guys, one more thing. If you want to check out his channel, I'll just put the link down. Adib. Bro, Adib. Adib. The ancient temple is rising into the air.
What happened?
The ancient temple is rising into the air. Come. Oh, I was not. Adib, come here. Fast. Adib is a person.
I'm trying to. Chill out.
Adib, I'll die. I'm very stressed out. Somebody revive me. Somebody just revive me. Adib, I'm here. Okay, number 1 is reviving me. Adib, we are in air.
Yeah, what?
Adib, just go and see where we are. We're not on land.
Just a second. What are you speaking about? Seriously.
That's why I punch him.
How will I go back? I can't jump.
Adib, but this is amazing.
Yeah, this is dope. Oh my god. I don't know from how many years this update, but this is dope.
Adib, do you have any extra heals?
Yeah, I have 4 energy, 2 meds, 5 bandages,
Can I get one med?
and 2 painkillers.
Can I get one med?
Yeah, I just get a med and just take a painkiller.
Adib, can you give me a med?
Yeah, come with me. I'll come with me first.
Yes.
Come here, someone will steal it.
Okay, can you give it?
1 med is down.
Oh, thank you for the ammo.
Yeah, that's it.
I'll just take it. Thank you.
Good med, present.
Adib, do you have a little bit more M4 ammo or a little bit extra?
No, I don't have any M7 ammo, but
M4. Adib, I need M4 ammo. M4 16.
Yep, just a second.
Adib, what? Adib, you need to come and see it. Adib, you need to. Adib, what? Adib, why are you going disconnected? Adib, what are you doing? Adib, please, why have you muted yourself?
Yeah, just a second.
Adib, you are just ruining my video. Adib, you don't. So fans, I think Adib will have to finish the video right here. I'll just check with him. So can you hold for a minute? Thanks. Let me check if there's anybody. Adib, why did you do this? You're a bad person. Let me just... Adib?
Yep.
Adib, you're ruining the game. Please don't leave it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Actually, I had to take a break. Yeah, but
Adit,
so
can you give me
where are you?
M416
Why?
ammo?
So can you please M4 ammo?
Adit, why did this thing open?
Dude, this has guns also. Someone looted it.
Oh shit! Give me my guns.
Wait.
Give me that M24. Give me that.
What happened to
Adit, can you please give me some M4 ammo?
guys? Can just a second. Like when I went to the break, right? You know that, right? Yeah. So when I went to the break, I actually paused my video. So I actually wanted to say that to my fans. Sorry guys, I had to take a quick break. But yeah, I'm back. And why is this chest not opening? So and we found that these chests can open.
Oh, Adit, we need to. Adit, come here. We need to answer some questions. Adit, come to me.
Wow.
Adit, this pole.
Answer. Yeah. Which area has the more deaths? No. Am I correct? I'm correct. Yes, I'm correct.
It should be
correct. Yes, am I correct?
Is this Pujinki now?
I am correct. It was Pochinki.
Yes, I knew it. It's Pujinki.
Yeah.
Now let
Dude,
me
there are
know.
only Uzis in this thing.
I think so. Yes.
And dude, you know what? I got it. When you you needed this, right?
Yes. Adit, can
I
you
marked
just
something.
give me some M4 ammo?
I don't have info ammo, dude.
Adit, M416 ammo. I just need M4. I don't need M4.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, so we'll get so this.
I was like very less. I also need some.
Adit, let's take a risk. Let's try if we can jump from here.
Dude, are you kidding me? No.
Adit, for fans, I can do anything. For their knowledge.
Where are you? Tell me.
So they're
Adit,
Adit, we get the glider. It's safe.
oh my god, where are you going?
Adit, I'm just going to this fortress. Adit, then we can tell our fam that it's safe.
Yeah, dude, and guys, it's safe. Like, we just jumped out of there and we opened our parachutes and that was dope. So, you just need to try it.
So please just give us a like. We are doing so much for you. Just please just give us a like.
Covering things right here.
You guys are dope, so we can do
Ooh.
anything for you.
Come here.
M4 ammo.
Come here. This is not cool. No, not info ammo.
If you get.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
How are you dead?
I'm dead like, I'm not.
Oh,
Yeah,
dead.
just dead.
You are a dope, bro. You are dope.
He was a bot, thank god. I was in water, okay? I fell down, okay? And this guy was shooting me, but I survived. He was a bot.
So guys, loot.
Oh, come here. Down.
Down there. Just
Yeah.
taking a little fall damage for this lovely loot. What does this guy have?
Ooh. I'm taking these glasses. Yeah.
You know my game is lagging a lot, bro. Lagging just, bro. My gaming is lagging.
Dude, see that? That was a fortress we jumped out of.
Bro,
Oh, why are you having network connections now only?
I don't know,
Like,
bro.
guys, Kian never has network connection issues. Yeah, Kian never has network connection issues. Either I have it or our friend called Saksham has it. Kian, a person is swimming.
Oh, let me kill him. I have 0 kills. Adit, let me kill him. Adit, you are a very bad person.
Oops.
No, oopsie.
I thought I'll damage him for you so it can be easy.
Now, Adit, should we go to take his loot, because I think it's little bit risky.
Yeah, of course. Chill out.
Please don't please no real player, only bots.
Oh, why? Please tell me he has good loot because I wasted like 20 among this guy.
and because of you, I wasted 0 ammo on this guy. Let me see his loot first.
Oh, yeah, 20 ammo for me. Yes.
I have 0. Yeah. Can you give me a little bit?
Yeah. Just come to the. Are you going to the fortress or the land?
Or the land. The land. I think we should go. Can we go up like again to that thingy, to that big thingy, to that fortress?
No, I don't think so. We can go up to the. You're talking about the fortress, right? On which our teammates are.
Yes.
Yeah. No, I don't think so. You know what? I'll just go. I think so. After 1 minute and 30 seconds, this fortress will come down again.
In 1 minute. Did it come in? Did it come in?
No.
How?
Check the zone timing.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yes, I can see it.
Beside that,
Yes, I can see it. Yes, I can see it. I can see it.
yeah, there's a drop over there.
Yes, they're just like there.
There's a drop over there. You want to loot it?
Yes. Sorry, people. I cannot play more. After this game, we'll just stop the video. So after tomorrow, we'll play arena training and other games. Okay.
Yeah.
Like because I have to study also a little bit. So I'll play my last game. I'll play
you
this
know
one.
what happened?
What?
My video was paused the whole time.
Don't tell me.
Yup, it was. So guys, actually we had a cool experience, like jumping off that mountain, okay? And it was very dope. Like you should try it. Of course, it's safe. It's totally safe, okay?
You can just
And
watch
after
it.
15 seconds, it will disappear.
You can just
and
watch
we
it.
just,
Watch
like,
it on my channel because Adiv just had his videos first, so you can come watch it on my channel.
Yeah, you will watch it on our both channel.
Adiv,
I don't think so. It was paused on the timing. Like it was paused on the timing we jumped off.
it disappeared. I think so.
Yeah, it just disappeared. Check it out. Yeah, it disappeared. I need people.
Me too. Bro, I think I can see one. Yes, I can
So
see.
guys,
I can see one.
There's a bike in front of me. There's a bike person in front of me. There's a bike.
Where is this person running? Oh, there is another person right there. Bro, I'm being fired. I'm being fired. I knocked one out.
I'm not getting the person here. I got a person near me. I'm knocking him out. Knocked him.
Yes, Adiv, there's dude. This buggy. I'll just kill him.
Help me, Kian.
Adiv, I'm trying my best. My game is lagging.
Come on.
Our teammates.
Teammate will revive us.
Yes, teammate is here. He can revive us.
Well, I
Okay,
don't think
please, teammates. Yes.
Come on. My teammate is killing me with a grenade.
One of them will revive us. I know that.
Come on, teammate, please. Yeah. My teammate is good. Good. Come on, revive me. Yeah, my teammate is reviving me. Yeah, after that, after we get revived, we need some loot and we need some meds. And then we have to rush to the zone.
Otherwise, I only have an energy drink.
Yeah, no.
Do you have something?
No, I'm just finding it. I do have something. But
I think I can see a knocked person.
Come towards me. I have things.
I'll just kill the person. Let me take his loot.
Check his loot if you have something.
Yes, I'll just go check it.
And Kian, come with me. After taking his loot, come with me. We need to go to the zone.
Yes, he has some he has some loot.
Okay.
He has some bandages.
I need some M4 ammo.
Okay, I can give you a 142.
Oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Yeah, just let me take these bandages.
There's a person in front of me in the zone.
Adib, why did you rush alone?
I was telling you, after you're done looting, please come to the zone.
I'm just taking these bandages.
Now
off.
I'm waiting. Chill out.
Don't rush on him, okay?
Yeah, I'm not rushing on him.
Yes, sir, I'm coming. I have almost full health. I think I will edit the video after some time.
Yeah, I think so. I'll just record the video and then I'll edit it.
Yes, we do. Adib, where is the person? Can you mark him?
I actually lost him. He was on that side, okay, when I saw him. And now I have actually lost him. So
Okay, I'm coming with the guy. I'm coming with the guy with the buggy. You can just going on his. You can just go on his car. No, we'll just find them and get him out of our game.
yeah.
Mm,
Come. Why? Where is this person taking me?
I don't know.
Oh, he's not supposed to in this car. Why did he even sit in this car?
I don't know. Me and this person are just scouting a
Oh,
house.
no. There are people in front of us. He is taking us to people. No, don't backflip our bike. Dude, what are you doing? What are you even thinking?
Bro.
There's people over there. He's running from people.
Adib, I'm just getting the car to you, okay?
Yeah, please.
Come on, teammate. Oh, no.
Stop the car, dude.
I'll just stop it.
Yeah. I'm fine.
I'll just do a prank with him. You just got pranked, bro.
Don't let anyone else sit.
Yes.
Jan, come to me. It's a buggy.
I know, Adib. I will just prank. I will just bumping into that person.
Yeah. Wait, there's a car coming behind us.
Just shoot on it. Shoot it,
Jeep.
Adib.
And they're killing you. Jan, what are you doing?
Adib, what? Adib, why did you get out of the car?
Oh, I thought you wanted it to stop.
Who said that I wanted to stop? You're just going to make us get killed.
There's one person down in the car only. I'm down out of the car only.
You just want us to get killed now?
You're dead, dude. You're dead. I need some ammo out of here. I'm 0 on 0 ammo. Yeah, this guy has it.
Adib, please come fast.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Yes, go.
I think there's only one
I
person.
can't reload on the car. Yeah, I can't.
Are you a bot?
No. Chill out.
There's a jeep.
What?
I can see the jeep.
Where is it?
It was just right there. This buggy. Bro, I'm just driving a buggy. How can I mark it?
Oh, okay. I can also see the jeep now.
I think our teammates have killed him.
Come on, we can do this. Oh, they only have 3 people.
Adib, I think our teammates killed them.
What?
The people.
Wait, there's a buggy over there.
Adib, there's a buggy over there also.
No, there's like a buggy.
Adib, right there.
A person driving a buggy over there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Bro, someone is
killing a jeep. Oh no.
Bro, who was it?
That buggy is down. We can rush on the person on it. Gyan, help me. I'm rushing.
Okay, I'll just. Adib,
Yeah,
why did you go?
I'm going because the buggy is gone
Adib, I think you want to die. We want to win in this game.
and he's alone.
Adib, you can kill him alone. So you just go
We
kill
can
him.
kill this guy.
I'll just kill these people.
No, I can't, dude. If he's strong,
Adib, there's a person on me.
what if he's strong?
Bro, I don't know. Why did you rush on him?
There can be a person on me also. And there's also a drop near me,
Adib,
so I'm looting it and I'm coming.
you will just die.
It was not looted, for sure. You know why?
Why? Because it just landed.
I got a ghillie and a DBS.
Nice. I just want
I
to
picked
win.
up both.
Just find
Let's
some.
do this. Come on, Kian.
I think there will
Let's
be
go to
people
the
on
road.
the hill.
What?
There will be people on the hill. Yes, there were people on the hill. Our teammate.
Was knocked out. Was knocked out. Was knocked out. There are the people. I can just snipe them if I want with the ghillie, but I can't see them only.
Me too.
Oh, where are you?
I'm just trying to scout them.
I want to try to scout them from behind.
Oh, they were just inside of me. That person was.
Oh, so like.
I could. There were some footsteps.
Do that?
I could just see a buggy. Let me check if there is a person in there.
Yeah, there is no person. There's no. There could be someone camping over there.
I think there is nobody camping over there. If you want to check
But
it.
there could be. Just a second, I got a notification that we put on my phone to do not disturb.
Okay, we just need to get some kills. Adit, there's a buggy.
Ooh, I know there's a buggy over there. There's one here. And there's one, no, yeah. No, I'm not rushing out of the zone. Don't rush out of the zone.
Yes, I know. I'm just not rushing out of the zone.
Mm,
It's too risky.
reload everything. So listen. Now what do we know? There are 4 people, but we are 3 people. There is only one person alive. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the person who came out of the buggy while I was shooting the it. When I was shooting on it.
Okay, let me find him. Real quickly. Oh,
And
Adit, why did not you tell me you got him?
Because he was a noob.
Adit, you could have just told me.
Yeah, we could ban him, but I'll choose the victory.
Adit, you just took out the content of the video.
Just leave it. We got to win him with a chicken dinner, right? And that's it.
Okay, so
And
it was guys. It was it's it for today. We'll meet you tomorrow. Peace.
Yep. And tomorrow, don't just saying that I didn't jump off from the Asian. Like, please see it. And tomorrow I'm gonna post one more video with me jumping off the Asian. Okay. And I'll not forget to unpause my video there. So yep.
Peace.
Bye, Kian.
Bye, Adif.
Yep. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.